Hi, I'm Shitakshi Srivastava. I'm the subject matter expert for OSINT. I worked with multiple defense and law enforcement agencies in utilizing Insight for their actionable intelligence. Now, the thing is, 90% of the intelligence comes from open sources, and that's where Insight comes into the picture. Insight analyzes your data from deep web, dark web, and surface web, which includes all your social media sources, newspapers, search engines. So we're analyzing 50 plus social media sources, including vernacular Chinese and Russian sources. We're also analyzing 2000 plus newspapers from different states, regions, and countries. Now, all that data is utilized for multiple features which are provided to the law enforcement and defense agencies. Like for the defense agencies, we're analyzing the defense procurement, the military, political, or economy related updates of all the neighboring countries. They can also identify radical outfits, OGWs, or any terror related activities utilizing Insight. For defense agencies as well as for law enforcement, image analysis is a feature. So they can do facial recognition, they can do reverse image search, they can also identify objects which are given in the images which are posted on social media. For law enforcement particularly, event prediction is a major feature which are being provided to them. So if there's any day or a date mentioned in the article, the system can put it in the event calendar and you can identify the key influencers very easily. Now, once you've identified these key influencers, you can find out their strong connections, you can find out any data leaks available about those handles, you can also find out common linkages between them. Along with it, we have now integrated our own in-house LLM in Insight. So you can do AI-driven fact check, you can also do AI-driven media analysis, profile analysis. It also helps you to provide case summarizations, and you can do multiple Q&A with our in-house LLM model. So that's how Insight helps a law enforcement and defense agency to be updated on open source. Thank you.